Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing like a vlog style video. I've only done one of these before, which was for my birthday in May whilst I was in lockdown. So if you've not checked that out, then I'll link it above and you can go and check that out. Today it's actually A-level results day. Obviously I haven't done my A-levels, but my sister just has. So she's just found out her results this morning and she's got into the uni that she wanted to get into. So whoop, congrats to her, that's so good. So what we're actually doing today is just going to Ikea and Wilko, I think, to pick up a few bits for her for uni. So I thought I would just vlog it because everyone loves an Ikea haul. Well, I do anyway. So it's currently 9:15 and I'm going to drive up to my mum's house now to meet her and my sister, and then we're going to go to Ikea. So yeah, I actually can't wait, you know. I feel like whenever I go into Ikea, I always end up buying something. So I need to control myself. So I'm just going to set off now and I will check back in with you in a minute. Okay, so just at my mum's house. Hey Jess. She doesn't want to be in the video. Hey Izzy.
Hello.
This is my sister Izzy. So we're going to Ikea, and where else are we gonna go?
Wilko and...
Wilko.
I don't know where
Is that it? We might go out for Ikea. I said that. So yeah, we might go out for lunch as well, but we're gonna leave soon. So how did you do in your A-level results, Izzy?
Well, bit of a story actually to my A-level results.
It's not good.
I did my A-levels last year anyway, but I basically decided, I did okay in them, but I didn't get what I wanted to go to the uni I wanted to go to, so I decided to take a year out, retake, you know, all good. And this morning, obviously it's A-level results day, and I woke up and I was like, I got my college, because obviously coronavirus, we're not going in to collect our results, we got emailed them. And UCAS track was taking ages. It kept crashing because obviously everyone was trying to log in. So I just didn't bother with track first. I was like, I'll just log on and see my results first, because obviously I can kind of work out then if I'm in anyway. So I logged it into my email and I was like, hold on, this must be a joke, because they gave me an A star. I'm like, I'm not. This is in maths.
Yeah, but you could be an A-star student.
I'm not an A-star student in maths at all. So I was like, what? Obviously, I was like, well, that means I only needed a B. So obviously, I was like, well, that obviously means I'm into uni. So I was like, wow, that's great.
My arm's hurting.
So obviously, texting, I'm like, yeah, I got an A-star, sent the screenshot, like, this is a joke. Literally, I was laughing my head off. Me and my friends were literally laughing our heads off, going, well, that's a joke, but oh well. And then I got a call, literally like 5 minutes ago from college. And they were like, yeah, do you want the good news or the bad news? And I was like, oh God. And then he was like, basically, we've given you the wrong grade. They're like, we've given you the wrong grade. And they was like, you've actually got an A, not an A-star, which is more like, what do you call it? More...
What you wanted, what you were
acceptable.
expecting.
More what I was expecting. I was expecting a B or an A. So at least I got an A, which is more actually realistic. That's the word I'm looking for. Realistic. Literally an A-star. I was like,
We're super proud of you anyway.
thank you. So I'm going to Uni of Leeds in September.
Leeds Uni.
Uni of Leeds for digital media.
Now I'm in the mood.
People make me feel so cute.
Is he?
Mum was just like,
It's the hands right.
it's just like when they come into your words, you not go like, oh, especially when they're alone. And they
Yeah.
can't really do things.
Yeah.
I feel so
I
sad.
just say, no,
I'm
it's
just
fine.
like,
So, how many do you need, do you think?
I was just going to say 2 of everything. Harry was like, oh no, you'll need more than that.
Well, what do you have?
She was like a whole set. Well, she said for cutlery, I said I'll need 2 of everything. She went, no, I'll need more than that.
Well, we'll get a set of Something like that. I bet everybody knows it, yeah. Put your head there.
So much stuff.
Shall we put your stuff in that bag?
I'm so hot.
Yeah. Stop for a cup of coffee or something.
Woo! Oh yeah, let's do a thumbnail. Dancing. It's stuck. We literally got so much stuff. Can't deal. So we're just going back home to drop all the stuff off and then we're going out again to Ikea, aren't we? I thought you didn't want to be in the video. She does now. Okay, so we've just dropped the stuff off at home, and now we're going to have some lunch at Pizza Hut. Izzy wanted to go to Pizza Hut, so that's why we're here.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Come here. Holly wanted to come to Pizza Hut.
Stop lying.
And it's the only kind of place on the way.
Yeah. Well, we just wanted to go for lunch before we went to Ikea, so Pizza Hut it is. So yes, I will see you in a minute.
No. We won't be rushing back, will we? Easy.
So we're just coming out of Pizza Hut. We're now going to Ikea. Izzy, what are we getting from Ikea?
Anything.
Loads
I
of
want
stuff.
a little bathroom, like cabinet unit, to put all like my cleaning stuff, my toiletries.
Just a few random bits. We're literally across the road, so Ikea's there. Whoop! Which chairs? Oh, look at that! You like the yellow?
Yeah.
I mean, if we had a room.
I like the chair.
Don't like the yellow.
Yeah, but all the fake plants are a bit too thick for me.
Are you going to get a little plant for your
I
desk?
do want a little plant, but
What about like these?
they seem. I don't like them. They look too fake.
In a wide one though. Isn't that what you have?
You can buy a plant pot for it. Look how cute that is, that one.
Look at it. No one is gonna have these.
Well,
I hope not. I'm gonna be so jealous.
Pissed off in here.
Let's see.
Yeah.
They're lovely.
They've got little bubbles.
Bubbles. So warm. So we're finished at Ikea. It's windy and it was boiling in there. But now I think we're just going to go to Asda maybe to get some like duvets and cushions and all other stuff. So yeah.
Yeah, but you did send me to pick her up on a night when there's Christmas ball and all of the parents of Door Primary are going to pick their children up at night time when I had passed my test like a week before.
It's a good experience.
Yeah.
So we're going in to the third shop of the day. We're going to get run over. We're gonna get run over in the road. We're getting towels, bedding.
Bedding.
I'm tired.
A nice
Tea towel.
fluffy throw to find one.
Yeah, so in we go. Having a discussion over towels.
What's a bath sheet, by the way? I want to ask you that.
They're
than
the
a bath
huge ones, I
towel.
think.
Yeah, they are the huge ones. That's the one you want. What? How many should I have? Two. And then you want two hand towels. And flannel? And a flannel. Yeah.
Oh my lord.
So, even though it's clean.
Look at you. So much stuff. Look at this trolley. Speed bump.
When Harry said 250, we'll do it.
Oh! Okay, we are now home. And I'm so tired. Are you tired?
Yeah, I am tired.
Yes, we're both tired. We've been walking around for hours. So we went to Wilko. Then we came home to drop all the stuff off. Then we went to... Where did we go then? We went out for something to eat. Then we went to Ikea. And then on the way home, we went to... Asda. And now we're back home. And we still need to get a few more things, don't we? Well, you do. I don't have to. But yeah. Look at this pile of stuff. Let me just turn the camera around to show you. This is everything we got today. Oh my goodness. Also, don't mind the carpet because this whole room's being redone, isn't it, Izzy? Carpet looks a bit gross. But yeah. So all of this stuff we got today. And that basket is full of things as well. But look at this. So much stuff. So I've just reapplied some of my makeup because it was melting off. And we're all going to go out for tea now to celebrate Izzy's A-level results. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here and then I'll add in a few like little clips of us going out and eating and that kind of stuff. So yeah, hopefully this vlog wasn't too boring. I don't know if it was interesting or not. So thank you all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe and also hit that thumbs up button if you liked this video and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video because I'll be posting lots more. So yeah, that's it, isn't it?